Hello, and welcome to another video. If you are thinking of generating passive income while being creative, then this video might help you. Yes, this video explains the most creative source of passive income which can generate some serious money. Passive income is a type of income that is earned without actively working for it. This means that you are generating revenue without having to trade your time for money. There are several reasons why passive income is desirable. Passive income can provide a steady income stream, even if you are not actively working. This can provide financial security and stability. Additionally, it provides you with the freedom to use your time as you wish, rather than having to work for a living. Being scalable, passive income can often be scaled up, meaning that you can increase your revenue without increasing the amount of time you spend working. Diversification is another attribute of passive income, where it can provide a way to diversify your income streams, reducing your reliance on a single source of income. Another important aspect is retirement planning. It can be an effective way to save for retirement, as it can provide a source of income that continues even after you stop actively working. Overall, passive income can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom and creating a more balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. The ways in which passive income can be generated include content creation such as a YouTube channel, investing in stocks and shares, lending, writing a book, and etc. Considering all the methods, one of the most creative and artistic way to earn passive income can be a YouTube channel. YouTube. Yes, a YouTube channel can generate passive income, and here is how it can be done. Start by deciding what type of content you want to create on your YouTube channel. This could be anything from beauty tutorials to video game reviews, cooking demonstrations to travel vlogs. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a potential audience. Before launching your YouTube channel, it's important to understand the market and the competition. Conduct research on the most popular channels in your niche, as well as the demographics of your potential audience. Based on your niche and market research, develop a content strategy that outlines the type of content you will create, how often you will upload, and how you will promote your channel. Once you have a substantial audience, you can start monetizing your channel. This could include advertising revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. As a YouTube creator, income can be generated using different sources such as 1. Advertising revenue. YouTube creators can earn money through ads placed on their videos. The amount earned per ad view varies, but creators typically earn a percentage of the revenue generated by the ads. The revenue is based on factors such as the number of views, the location of the viewer, and the type of ad. 2. Sponsorships. Creators can work with brands to promote their products or services in exchange for payment. Sponsorships can be a significant source of income for creators, particularly if they have a large and engaged audience. 3. Merchandise sales. Creators can sell merchandise such as clothing, accessories, and digital products on their channels. This can be a profitable way to earn money, particularly if the creator has a loyal and engaged fan base. 4. Crowdfunding. Creators can use crowdfunding platforms such as Patreon to accept donations from their audience. This can be a reliable source of income for creators who have a passionate and supportive community. Now the question is, how can it be monetized? Monetizing a YouTube channel typically requires meeting certain eligibility criteria set by YouTube's partner program. The main eligibility criteria includes 1. The channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. 2. The channel must have at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. 3. The channel must comply with YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. Assuming that a new YouTube channel starts from scratch with no subscribers and no watch time, it may take some time to build up the necessary following and engagement to meet these eligibility requirements. The time required to monetize a YouTube channel will depend on several factors, such as the content of the channel, the frequency of uploads, and the level of engagement with viewers. Once the channel is monetized, the fun part starts. However, the amount of money you can earn from YouTube can vary widely and is dependent on several factors, such as the number of views your videos get, the type of content you create, the demographics of your audience, the advertising rates in your country, and the number of ads displayed on your videos. YouTube pays content creators through the YouTube Partner Program, which allows creators to monetize their videos by displaying ads. Advertisers pay YouTube for displaying their ads, and YouTube shares a portion of that revenue with the content creator. Many factors can affect the actual amount you can earn. Some of the top YouTubers earn millions of dollars per year, while others earn very little. It's important to note that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. In conclusion, passive income is an important factor to consider, especially with the current high inflation and time of recession. Passive income provides financial security and can be of different types, including content creation or a YouTube channel.